What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on SLP, which has pumped up once again over 22% in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, most of the pump did come from the last couple of hours here. It is being quite volatile up and down, but overall it has gained value and is currently trading at 0.002877 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy it, is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it goes even higher over the coming days, weeks and so on. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see, over the last couple of days SLP has been gaining an insane amount of value. However, yesterday it has taken a little bit of a dip, but it's still pumping, it's still going up in value today, earlier on as well, and earlier last week as well. It has had some major increases in value. But the main question is, how long is this going to go on for? Is it likely to crash back down? If so, should you sell it, or is it likely to gain value even higher than where it is at the moment, and is it time to buy it? So on the screen we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we can clearly see SLP is trading at a much higher value than its average value here in purple, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow, do expect SLP to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, and yeah, very likely is going to go past the 0.003 cents target, potentially heading up to about 0.0035 cents is where I'm expecting SLP to be trading at. But again, do expect red candles in between as well. It's going to be up and down, just like how it's been over the last few hours, up down. So yeah, quite volatile, but just know the overall outcome from my prediction is more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue line looking very steep, heading towards a bullish direction, meaning it's not too realistic. However, the orange line is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected over the next 7 to 8 days from SLP. So essentially by early to mid next week, we should see smooth loft portion trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over 0.004 cents in target is what I'm expecting it to be trading at in early next week. But again guys, do expect red days in between, up and down. It's volatile like I've said before, but again the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards, looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, meaning it's not realistic guys. Only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last approximately 10 days. The graph thinks is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up at this pace, so on and so on. However, that is not the case over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the very end of the year. Yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value from smooth loft portion, but nothing too crazy, nothing too major. I'm not expecting it to hit 1 cent before you guys even ask that question or comment down below. Not this year anyway. It's too far away from hitting the 1 cent target, and for it to hit that, it's going to have to go for approximately a 300 to 400% increase, which I'm not expecting. But what I'm expecting is for it to hit the half cent target, which is 0.005 cents by December 2023 is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, That is only if Bitcoin also manages to head up to near about $40,000. I am expecting for the rest of the year to be more on the bullish side, so increases in value, not just on Bitcoin or SLP, but the whole crypto market in general should be moving upwards. But if there are any changes to that, for example, if I'm able to predict a major pump or a major crash, that can have a positive or negative impact on the cryptocurrency market, I will let you guys know as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So what we're going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we've got a long way to head up to the resistance target here, which is 3 cents, and right now we're not even trading at 1 cent or half a cent, meaning it's going to require a major increase for it to hit the resistance target to head into the green zone, which I'm not expecting from SLP for at least the next 12 to 18 months. So yeah, 2023, 2024, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, and potentially most of 2025 as well. And again, that doesn't matter as long as we can slowly and steadily head upwards, heading towards the positive direction. We should be good to go. So for those of you guys asking, is it time to buy SLP? Personally, I wouldn't invest into it right now as it is overvalued, and I am expecting it to take a little bit of a step back over the coming days as well. So if I really wanted to invest into it, I would wait. But personally, this isn't a crypto that I'll be interested into. Even if it drops in value, I wouldn't personally buy into it. But again, each to their own. If you guys really want to invest into a crypto and think it has a future, then go for it. But I'm just giving you guys my take and my prediction on this crypto. And yeah, SLP is not a crypto that I've been into, but I have been making predictions on it for quite a while, as you guys have requested me to do so. So what I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below your take on this crypto, guys. Are you guys bullish or bearish on this crypto? Comment down below, especially going into 2024. What are your takes on this crypto? Is it gonna break out in 2024 or is it going to crash back down? Let me know in the comment section down below. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped quite a bit, 36% down, making it 118 or even 116 million dollars in the last 24 hours. Again, yes, it is red at the moment. It has dropped 36%, but after the pump that's just taking place right now, we are likely to see more and more traders buying the crypto, selling the crypto, and in general just trading it, as it is gaining value, so it's going to gain a lot more attention as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.